Alright, so project so far is what I got. Just like testing it out. The battery enclosure needs to be redesigned. Terrible design. This needs to be redesigned. Again, terrible design. First time designing this stuff and trying it out, and it was garbage. Absolute trash. All trash. So this is going to move to the bottom so I have more deck space. This needs to be relocated because I stepped on it and kind of broke it. But I mean, it's durable, it's fine, but you know, there's got to be figured. Something better for this needs to be figured out. So I'm gonna work on that. The project's gonna be a little more delayed than I thought. Also, I'm using Flip Sky 110 kV motors, and goddamn, they are so torquey, but no speed. So delayed project is more delayed, and hopefully I can get it done sooner.